Okay, and this book is my little book of farm animals. Do you suppose when a cow says moo that he's really asking, how do you do? Do you suppose when a horse says neigh that he means I'm hungry? Can I have some hay? And do you think when a chickadee sings that he really means what fun to have wings? Do you suppose when a chipmunk squeaks that he's really saying, see my chubby cheeks? Do you suppose that a goat's gruff bleat means, I like tulips and daisies to eat? And do you think when a goose honks clear that she's really calling, just look who's here? Do you suppose that a mouse says eek means, I nearly was caught by cat last week? And do you think that a donkey's bray means, come on, let's go on a trip today? Do you suppose that a duck's loud quack means I'm taking a shower, so please step back? Do you suppose when a piglet squeals that she's really saying how fine mud feels? Do you suppose that a puppy's bark arf, 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 means let's hurry home before it's dark, dark, dark? And do you think that a cat's meow means a dish of milk would taste good now? Do you suppose when bees buzz by that they're really asking, would you like to fly? And do you think when a lamb baas low that he's really saying, someday I'll grow? Do you suppose when they squeak or squawk that animals really, truly talk? They don't talk to me or my sister or brother, but I know they talk to one another. The end.